Hi everyone, today we have Gitanj Karudwal, the alumni of Chaitanya Career Consultants and currently working with Thompson River University. Today he will sharing his experience and valuable insight with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Gitanj Karudwal. I'm from India. I'm pursuing Regenerative Agriculture Diploma. The best part about this program is a block learning program. You're just taking one course at one time for 3 weeks and then you're done for the whole 2 years. Most of my things that I'm doing here in this program is practical. I start my day early, have a theory session very small about the same things that we're gonna do during the day, go to the farms. Sometimes I'm on farms and on different locations. It has been on interior BC where Williams Lake, I can say 100 miles. Last week I was Toronto doing some stuff, farming activities, fencing, planting, seeding, a lot of many more things. And assignments are totally based on them. There are no exams, but assignments are pretty much they are good enough. I would say whosoever I have met till now, especially my program coordinator, she has been the most helpful person for me. I'm fortunate enough that I got a professor like her. She has helped me in everything. It could be accommodation, which I would say so the people does not do. Other than that, she has helped me throughout the program. Even after the institution, whenever it's her off or whenever she's working, she has always been available. So the biggest proud that I have is to see myself enrolled in this program. This is a program which is very underrated among all the Indian students because it's new and people don't know about it. But once they got to know and they do a little bit of study from their future perspective and future opportunities in Canada, they can be really into this course. Small learning, small achievements make big things. TRU has a lot of resources. For me is the student services. Whenever I had to ask about something, the student union and student services of TRU, they're so active, so agile, so quickly responsive. They just help you right away. So that has been the best part for me. For every student who is watching me, it's my true experience that this is a really good place to live. You can see yourself growing here because there are a lot of part-time job opportunities as well as professional job opportunities once you are graduated. Not just that, the city is quite affordable in all the prospects that you can think of. It is a place like in the heaven, to be honest. I really love living here. Just not because I'm a nature lover, because of everything what I have experienced here. The cost of living, it's really affordable. You can cover all your expenses, but definitely your rent and groceries, most of your expenses under $1,000. If you compare it with big cities like Vancouver, Toronto, there are huge expenses. Everything is just affordable and you can really just have it. Thank you so much.